Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make onugbo soup, also known as bitterleaf soup. This soup is rich, deeply flavorful and perfect with any swallow of your choice. Let's get started. Firstly, you're going to wash and cook your assorted meat with seasoning cubes, salt, ground pepper, and then any other spices you use to season your meat. And then you're also going to add your stock fish, your dried fish, and any other protein of choice. And then you're going to add some water in it. You're going to give it a stir, and then you're going to cook that until it's very tender or as soft as you want it to be. If you love rich, hearty Nigerian soups, then this onugbo soup would definitely steal your heart if you make it. So when that is cooking, we are going to go in and cook our cocoyam, also known as ede. So we're going to cook this until it's soft. Then we're going to bring it out and then blend it and keep it aside for later. Now our meat is cooked and is soft, so I'm gonna go in with the ingredients. Here I have scotch bonnet pepper, I have ogiri seed. This is the ogiri used for onugbo soup and ora soup. And then I'm gonna go in with my crayfish. We also have our seasoning cubes and then some salt. Finally, we're going to go in with our palm oil. I like putting my palm oil first before the cocoyam so that it can be able to cook properly. I don't like having that sour taste in the soup. Then I'm gonna cover that and let that boil. And this is it after a few minutes. Now we're gonna go in with our blended cocoyam. So what I do is to add a little bit and then keep some apart side. Then depending on how the texture looks in your soup or how you want it to be, whether thick or a bit lighter, you can go in with the remaining one. So now after adding that, I'm going to give it a stir. Then we're gonna cover this and let that cook for a while. So I checked back on it, it was a bit watery, so I have to add the remaining cocoyam in it. Then I gave it another stir, covered it and cooked it for a few more minutes. Now finally we're going to go in with our star of the dish, onugbo leaves. That's our bitter leaves. Now we're just going to give this a stir. Okay, stir it nicely and mix it very well. Then after stirring, we're gonna let the soup simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the flavors can come together. It's also important to test and adjust seasoning if needed. Always remember that. Always adjust your seasoning when it's needed. So at the end, I just went in with more crayfish. It brings everything together, which I love very well. And then we're gonna give this a little stir. Now once the soup is thickened and the oil floats to the top, then that means your onugbo soup is ready. You can serve this hot with your favorite swallow and enjoy this rich traditional Nigerian delicacy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, subscribe for more Nigerian food recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.